On the table if you're an Amazon influencer and you don't have this extension. And the extension I'm talking about is the Oink for Influencers extension. I'll list all the stuff below. You can go click on it. You can sign up if you want. But I want to show you 3 ways that literally, as soon as you sign up, you will have more money. You will earn more money. There will be more money in your creator connections, your offsite, your onsite, everything. You can see I signed up in September right here. September doubled to October, October doubled to November, November tripled to December. Yes, it's the biggest quarter of the year. Most people do their shopping in October, November, and December. But without the extension that I'm going to show you, I would have left money on the table. And I'm talking hundreds, I'm talking thousands of dollars on the table. So let's jump into my 3 favorite pieces. There's more than these 3, but these are the 3 that I just want to show you and walk through and help you earn more money with your Amazon influencer account. So the first one is basically called Halo Sales. So when someone goes to your Amazon affiliate link and they click and purchase an item, that item goes into their cart and there's a cookie that's tracked along with that. Well, sometimes people buy products that are part of the Creator Connections program that you have not created a video for. Well, this daily fetch is what it's called. This daily fetch actually pulls those Halo sales into your account so that you can then accept or register or add to your Creator Connections those individual items that have been sold before they get shipped. So I just ran a report. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items that are about to be shipped tomorrow or the next day that I have not created content for, that I'm actually going to pull those Halo sales into my account. And this happens daily. I want you to think about 90 days at potentially 6 items a day. That's 540 items that I did not create content for that I could potentially be getting Halo sales for. That's the first thing. The second thing is the Storefront Fetch and the Storefront Health Check. The first month when I started with Oink Influencer Extension, I had created about 1,200 videos. The difficult part about being an Amazon creator or an Amazon influencer is that you upload these videos and you post them and you connect them with products. Well, those products change. Sometimes they are out of stock. Sometimes they change the title. Sometimes they change the name of the actual item. With this part, the Storefront Health Check, it runs all of your ASINs that you've created content for. And Rob is brilliant. I got to give him a shout out. Then it matches them against all of the current Creator Connections campaigns. I can then go in, I can fix them right here. You can see on my screen. I have 2, and I've obviously done this. I do this weekly. But when I first signed up, I had about 240 videos that were not being watched or connected to products that I was losing money out on. 240 videos out of about 1,200. That is insane. I went back, I reattached them, I deleted them, I connected it to the correct product if it was out of stock or if it had a new listing. It took me a couple days, but I started seeing my numbers increase just from that one thing. The last thing that I want to show you that's changed the way I've done this is on Amazon search. When I'm searching for a regular product, either that I'm going to buy or something that I want to create content for, or a product that I want to see is in the Creator Connections, I can actually just do my regular browsing through Amazon and search an entire Amazon page to find out whether or not there's a Creator Connections item on that page. Let me show you what this looks like. I'm going to search for heated gloves on Amazon. You'll notice that the extension is running in the background, and I'm going to be talking while this happens. So all of these items are loading right now, and we've got probably 15 pages of heated gloves. It's a really big item this time of year. So I'm going to scroll all the way down, 7 pages full. You'll notice right down here in the bottom left-hand corner, I have this click to start checking for Creator Connection campaigns. So instead of actually going through the creator connections and searching for gloves and trying to find things there, I can do it straight from the Amazon search page. When I click this button, it's actually going to search all of the ASINs on this page, and it's going to pull every single ASIN and match it to the Creator Connections campaign. And then what it'll do is at the bottom, it's going to give me a spreadsheet. You'll see right now it's starting to search. So it's found 3, it's still checking. This may go all the way up to 15, 12. When it's done, it creates a little kind of table that has a bunch of different categories. The Oink for Influencer extension allows me to create messages as a creator that I can automatically send out to brands all at one time. I can email all of the companies or message all of them through Creator Connections at one time. I don't have to do it 5 or 12 or 15 or however many times. I can just do it once straight from this page. I can put all of my content in there. I can have different formats or different templates in those. And so it's still checking while we're doing this. I'm going to see all the results. As I go across here, you'll see that I have different options. Not only do I have heated gloves, I have hand warmers that are also part of this. It'll tell me how many videos there are. That'll tell me how many influencers there are. It'll tell me how many brand videos there are. I can find all of this. Now, you can see that I've never searched for this product before, but what I can actually do at this moment in time, there's 15 companies and it's still searching, and I'm actually just going to stop here. I'm going to select all. Make sure there's no duplicate companies so I don't send the same company 2 messages. Or 3 messages. I'm going to request selected products. Let's see. Oh, there's one brand that I forgot. West Acacia. Request selected products. I have a message that I already have pre-formatted. I'm going to send this message. I have now requested heated gloves from 15 different companies that have Creator Connections campaigns behind their product. So what does that mean for me? Well, instead of getting a 2% commission or a 3% commission or a 4% commission, Creator Connections campaigns are anywhere from 10 to 30% commissions. I've just 5x'd or 6x'd my commissions. Yes, I know this is something small, but you can do this for bigger items. Ice makers, lawnmowers, weed eaters, outdoor equipment, indoor equipment, battery chargers, solar panels, all sorts of stuff. I said it at the beginning, and I wasn't being harsh. If you're an Amazon influencer and you do not have the Oink for Influencers extension, you are literally leaving money on the table, period. Like, you can argue with me, you can argue with my message, you can argue with how it was created and what I'm sharing, but I promise you that you're leaving money on the table without this extension. If you want to get the extension, of course I get a commission. We have a whole Facebook group that there's a bunch of people that are super helpful, that are helping people on their journey, from beginners, from silver members, gold members, platinum members, to help people be successful in the Amazon Influencer Program. That'll be linked below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, please message me.